Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can clear your history on a DuckDuckGo browser in 2026. So let us dive into this. So as you can see, I'm using the web browser version of DuckDuckGo on my desktop computer. What you need to do here is click into these three lines in the top right, hover your mouse over history, and from there, navigate to show all history. Here guys, what you want to do is navigate to all on the left hand side. That is going to show you your entire all-time history. But of course you can go with the yesterday's history, today's, last week's, and so on and so forth. And next to it you will see that trash icon. So that is going to delete the entire history or for the selected range of time or time range. Or alternately, once you have clicked into the given section here, you will see the delete all button at the top. That's another option. Confirm by clicking into delete here. Select the items you would like to, or the history part or section you would like to delete, like the cookies and site data, Duck AI chats. And then there's also option number 3. You can delete also single entries, like, I don't know, this one here. Right click into it, select delete, and remove it from your browsing history. That's it guys, that's how you do it. Thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.